Hello and welcome for you all. Today we are going to talk about how to use calculator in exams. The questions are based on EDEXCEL, IGCSE, AQA and OCR exam questions. First question here, find the value of 3 to the power of 6. We can use our calculator. So 3 to the power of 6 equal 729. 729. Next question here. Question 2. Use your scientific calculator to calculate the value of the following. Summation x from 1 to 50 x squared minus 1. Here we can use our calculator. Shift log will give us summation sign. Then we will write our function inside these two brackets. So x squared alpha x, shift summation sign x squared, now alpha x minus 1, summation here starting from 1 to 50 equal 42,875. 42,875. Question 3. Calculate the third root of 210 divided by 10 to the power of 2 plus 5 to the power of 2. Give your answer correct to three significant figures. Okay, now here shift third root fraction 210 divided by 10 to the power of 2 plus 5 to the power of 2 equal. This is our answer here. So they need our answer to be rounded to three significant figures, correct to three significant figures. So the first significant figure is 1, second significant figure is 1, third significant figure is 8. So our target is 8. Next to 8 is also 8. 8 is greater than 5, so we can add 1 to our target, which is 8, so 8 will be 9. So the answer is 1.19. 1.19. Yes. Question 4 here. Use your scientific calculator to calculate the value of the following. Again, we'll do the same. Shift summation between two brackets our function 3 shift x alpha x before 3 plus 1, then we will write terms of x from 1 to 200, which is equal to 60,500. 60,500. 60,500. Question 5. Tina buys the following items in a sale. Item: shirt, trousers, shoes, scarf. Normal price we have and the sale price we have. How much does she pay altogether? Complete the table below. Input note: do not include the pound sign. Okay, for shirt here we have 20 pound. There is a 4.50 off. That's mean here 20 minus 4.50 50, which is equal to 15.5. So here our answer is 15.5. Second item, 39 half a price. So 39 dividing 2. 39 dividing 2 equal 19.5. So we have 19.5. Next item, we have shoes, 18.50 pound. There is a 10% off. So here so 18.50 multiplied by 10%, shift percent here, equal 1.85. So here we'll write 1.85, then subtract it from 18.50. So 18.50 minus 1.85, this is equal to 16.65. So 16.65. Scarf, 6.99. Save on 1/3. 1/3, it means 1/3. So we'll multiply 6.99 times 1/3. 1 dividing 3 equal to 2.33. 2.33. We should find it total because he's asking to find how much does she pay altogether. So total here, we will add all of these numbers. So 15.5 plus 19.5 plus 16.65 plus 2.33, which is equal to 53.98. So 53.98. Yes. This is question 5. Question 6 here. Use your calculator to work out 3.8 times 4.5. So here we can use our calculator. So 3.8 times 4.5 equal to 17.1. 17.1. Question 7 here. Use your scientific calculator to calculate the value of the following. This fraction here. Give your answer in decimal form and write all the digits in your calculator display. So we need to write our answer in decimal form and write all the digits on our calculator display. So here so we need a fraction. This is a fraction bottom. So 1 over 1 plus, again we have a fraction, 1 over 1 plus another fraction, 1 over pi. 1 over pi. Shift pi equal. This is our answer. They need to write the full digits in here. So 0.568, 0.568, 651, 651, 2, I think, 2808. Question 8. Use your scientific calculator to calculate the value of the following. Sum from x equal 1 to 20, x factorial. Write all the digits in your display and give in standard form. Okay, this question is a good question here. So using your calculator, here we have shift summation Our function is x factorial, so alpha x shift this factorial x to the power of minus 1. So we have to press first shift, then this bottom here will give us x factorial x from 1 to 20 equal. So it's written in standard form here, so you have to write all of this number here, because they were asking us to write all the digits in your display and give in standard form. So this is our answer in standard form. Question 9 here. Calculate 3.6 divided by 1.2 minus 0.3. This one is easy. So we need a fraction. 3.6 divided by 1.2 minus 0.3 equal to 4. So this is 4. Now find the third root. Again, finding third root, shift here third root. The number is 17.576, and this is equal to 2.6. So here 2.6. Question 11, work out under the square root 64 times 36. You can do it direct if you know that 64 is 8 and 36 is 6, then multiply 8 times 6, or using our calculator direct here. So we have under the square root 64 times 36, which is equal to 48. So here is 48. Here, use your calculator to work out this under the square root, all of these values here. Write down all the figures in your calculator display. You must write your answer as a decimal. So, okay, here we will use our calculator. So, under the square root, we need a fraction. 9, 20 minus 17, tan, they needed tan, so this is the tan here, tan 65 degree, close the brackets, then down 0.012 plus 0.034. This will give us to 138.5909984. So you should write your answer as a decimal. This is our answer as a decimal. You have to write all the figures on our calculator display.